Case when conditional formatting in SQL, it is a very powerful tool of SQL that we are going to learn today. So we have a database here. The name of the database is cars, and within that database we have a table called data, and in the data table you can see there are different variables like laptop names, laptop brand, graphics, screen size, number of cores, number of threads, and price. Now we want to find out, we want to name the price column, that if the laptops are actually above 60,000, we will name it as expensive, and if the laptops are below 60,000, we will name it as cheap, okay, or affordable. So basically for that we will be using case when in SQL. So at first what will we write? For that we will at first write select, and after writing select we will be basically writing asterisk. Asterisk is written because we want all the rows and all the columns. When you want all the rows and all the columns of the data, you are basically giving asterisk, okay, not all the rows. Basically asterisk defines that we want all the variables or all the columns. Rows will be filtered out as per our operation. Rows will be filtered out. After writing asterisk we will give a comma, and then we will use case, and after writing case we will basically give the when operator. So in when we will give the variable name, that is price, and we will be setting up the operator that when the price is greater than equals to 60,000, and then we will be using the then operator. Then we will label it as expensive, okay. So we will, within a single quote we will write expensive, okay, and then again we will use the when operator, and again the price variable. If the price is say less than 60,000, if the price is less than 60,000, we will tap it as, then we will basically label it as affordable. So we will, within a single quote we will write affordable, okay. So affordable is being written, and after that we will basically end our query. For ending our query you have to give the name of the database and name of the table upon which you want to execute the query. So I will just write end as result. End as result, this is a common statement that you have to write to execute this conditional formatting, case when formatting in SQL. So I will write end as result. Now I have to assign the name of the database and name of the table. So from cars is the name of the database and data is the name of the table. So from cars.data, and I will execute the query, and you will see that a new column that is being made, that is result. The name of the column is result. If you give anything else in place of end as, I have given end as result, so that's why it is showing result. A new column is being made upon the name of result. If you give any other column name, it will be shown in that name. So the result will be here. Affordable and expensive is labeled here.